done the safari. It was amazing. We managed to get our own row on the bus, which was cool. So we managed to have like a look out at both sides, left and right. And if you can't tell now, we're walking towards Pandora. We're going to go get some food in the Satuli canteen. And we've only ever had the desserts though. We haven't had like a meal. This is our final meal credit we've got left. So we're going to get a meal each, try each other's, and have a nice little explore around Pandora. So it's time for Flight of Passage. They said because Navi River Journey was closed, you'd only get a Tier 2 fastpass, which is fine, but obviously Navi River Journey is a Tier 1. So I said, is there any chance I can just jump on this? Dan didn't want to do it anyway, so it would just be myself. So they allowed me through, which is just amazing. She was really friendly, actually. I think her name was Sarah. She was a really good cast member. So we're now just here waiting in the queue to jump on to Flight of Passage. It's stunning in here.
Fly on a Banshee high above Pandora. You will be restrained in a moving.
Can everyone see me? Great. Yes. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry. They're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number. You're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Navi. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Navi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the Ikron and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Navi and avatars can. In fact, the Navi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage today. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. Okay, to get you flying on a Banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got it. Now, let's find you your avatar matches. All right, you've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you in the next room. When the door opens, please go inside, all the way in, and stand over the same number that you're standing over now. And I'll see you in there.
When you follow our technician into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on now. First, stow your gear in the storage containers on the back wall. This should include all bags, cameras, and other items, including cell phones. It's important to push them all the way into the bin. Then get onto the chair as you would a bike. Straddle the seat, step forward, and sit down. Slide your hips forward until you are against the chest pad, and then move your feet all the way forward. Wait until you're seated before you put on your flight visors. Hold onto the hand grips as shown. It's important to hold onto the hand grips at all times. After you're seated, back and leg restraints will be firmly engaged. For your safety, throughout this entire experience, always remain seated and supervise your children.
Once the link takes place, you'll be connected to your avatar and sitting on the back of an Ikron. It'll feel like you're really there. Moments later, you'll begin your flight. A Na'vi guide will lead you out. You'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Pandora, but you might also face some of its greatest challenges. Some of this flight might be intense, but trust your guide and be brave. As the Na'vi say during this important rite of passage, Sivak Ho, rise to the challenge. Good luck.
Throughout this entire experience, remain seated, lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your children.
expect it to be that good, but I absolutely loved that. Dan, again, probably would not have liked it because it was so quite bumpy and jolty. That was amazing for me. What? Is it a torch?
You should take that to work, Georgie, when you're train conductor.
No.
Be like...
No. What's this? That's another torch. Loads of torches, isn't there? $8 each.
Do you want some...
When you buy 3.
Fish jewellery?
No, I'm good for necklaces.
Avatar bands.
Oh, they're a bit basic, aren't they?
Not much going on, and they're $23.
Yeah, that's for the ace. Oh, my avatar, by the way, Dan.
Oh, look at those.
It's a woman.
Got some new moves.
I was a woman.
Makes sense.
It matches you to an avatar. Wow, that's just rude. It's cold.
It's a nice American, isn't it?
Oh, it is. How much is that?
$30.
How much? 13?
30. $6.99.
$6.99. You're funny, Dan.
Seeing if you were paying attention.
You're funny.
Just put it that way.
He's loving it.
$18.
18.
Different?
Is this stuff all glow in the dark over there? Oh no, been
Navi
distracted by
baby.
baby. Aww. How much is a baby Navi?
$27.
Aww. I've got over here. What is this? That's not a very cuddly toy, is it? Made of latex. $26.99. Latex monkey?
That's slightly terrible.
It's not a monkey, is it? It's a Navi. Oh, I love it. Look at that mug.
Oh, wow. That's different.
That looks like a pain to wash.
Yeah, I was just thinking that actually. That's nice.
How much is that?
$23.
Oh, wow.
That's really cool.
3D avatar maker here. You can make your own avatar. We can't imagine it's cheap, but we don't actually know how much it costs. We are back in Satuli Canteen. I've gone for one of these protein bowls with beef, chicken, sweet potato hash and creamy herb dressing. Dan, what have you gone for? I can't remember. There's cheeseburger pods with a side of vegetable chips and also some salad, 2 Diet Cokes, and we also got 2 more desserts. The chocolate mousse, and what's my one? Is it blueberry mousse? Vinci? It's really doughy, but it tastes exactly the same as a McDonald's cheeseburger. It's got like the same gherkin taste, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And the sauce.
I told you.
Yeah. So mine, by the way, is I've mixed all mine together. It's just this massive pile of chicken and herbs, and it's actually really nice and it's really fresh. The beef was a little too pink for me, but I still ate it anyway because I'm really hungry. But yeah, it's really good. All in all, really good food in here. Navi River Journey is now temporarily closed, so we're going to wait to see when that reopens. We haven't got any additional fast passes. We're saving the one from earlier to meet Mickey Mouse later on today. Just had lunch and now we're standing underneath the floating rocks here in Pandora.
Stay seated at all times, with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your time machine. Be sure to watch your children, and don't pick up any hitchhiking dinosaurs.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina de tiempo.
didn't need a toilet before you went on it, you would need the toilet now. Proper chucks you about on there. Good fun though, really good fun. Fast as well. But the brakes at the end, they do catch you by surprise and you get thrown all over the place. So that was great.
What's happening?
We're gonna go meet Mickey Mouse. I think it's Mickey Mouse. I imagine it is, isn't it? I don't know, it just said friends. So we're gonna meet some friends. I imagine it's Mickey Mouse. We're the only ones in this queue as well. Maybe he's on lunch. So we're now back in the car after a very long, tiring, wet and rainy day at Animal Kingdom. It's been a great day. I went on Flight of Passage for the first time. However, my favourite ride would be Kali River Rapids because me and Dan both got to share the experience together. Not only that, I think the water rides are like the water rapids anyway. It's a really good like communal ride because everyone in that raft all laughs together and has fun together. So I really enjoyed that, and of course I got to meet Mickey and Minnie just at the end of the day there with our fast passes from the earlier cancellation of Kali River Rapids because it was closed for a couple of hours. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. See you later.